I'm sure you guys can hear my bathtub, and you're all probably wondering, what are you doing in the bathtub recording? The answer is simple, guys. Exactly by the title of this video. Long story short, I am filming me first tanning for the very first time. Let's show you the goods. I just bought the Bondi Sands self-tanning foam in light to medium shade because I'm terrified of tanning. Why am I terrified of tanning? Because I've never done it before. So new year, new you. You know what I'm saying? The whole new year, new me process. And this is probably going to be one of the funniest videos you guys have ever seen because I literally have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Exfoliate. I got Shea Sugar Scrub and it smells like mango because I absolutely love mango. My Bondi Sands mitt. Because the tan on my arm is darker than my legs by a shade or two. I'm not going to worry about tanning my arms. I'm worried about the rest of my body as of right now. So if I look completely ridiculous, that'll be just fine. It'll be on me. I have 2 exfoliators. I'm going to double exfoliate. Why? Because I want to make sure I'm doing it right, and I'm not sure if this exfoliant is a good enough exfoliant. So I have the St. Ives Sea Salt Pacific Kelp natural exfoliating body wash. I'm gonna take a pretty good guess and say I should shave first. With the body wash exfoliant. I feel pretty exfoliated, but like I said, to be extra sure, we're gonna go in with the sugar scrub. Oh shit. So sorry I had to switch to voiceover, but pretty much you rinse out the mitt with hot water, warm water, and you just pretty much get all the water out. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the before and after. I absolutely loved it, despite me playing around a lot. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.